Hello friends, we get inquiry for the cost of wisdom tooth surgery. It is difficult to tell the exact cost of the wisdom tooth surgery because the cost of wisdom tooth surgery depends on multiple factors. Number one is a complexity of wisdom tooth surgery. Wisdom tooth surgery can be different, like some wisdom tooth which are fully erupted can be a simple wisdom tooth extraction, and some wisdom tooth which are completely embedded inside the bone close to the nerve, they are like little complicated surgery. So based on the complexity of the wisdom tooth, the charges also varies. Along with that, it depends on the expertise of the surgeon. If the surgeon is well expert and experienced, then their charges are a little bit on the higher side. Third factor, it depends on if we do surgery under local anesthesia or if we do surgery under general anesthesia. Many times the wisdom tooth is a little more complex, more embedded inside the bone, and many times patients are also scared to undergo surgery under local anesthesia. Many times because of some medical condition, we have to do wisdom tooth surgery under general anesthesia. So if we do wisdom tooth surgery under local anesthesia, then the cost is little bit on the lesser side. If we do surgery under general anesthesia, then of course there is an additional cost for the hospital stay, for an anesthetist and extra medicine. So in general, in an area like Andheri in Mumbai, the wisdom tooth surgery cost for the simple wisdom tooth is ranging from 2,500 to 5,000, and for the complicated cases the price ranges from 5,000 to 15,000. If you have more query about wisdom tooth surgery and its cost, you can contact on this number. Thank you.